No, February 10th, 2013. Going to attempt to jump off the deck into the snow. What do you think? Can it be done? Prepare myself. Okay, are you ready?
I think I should go down there.
What? Huh, go over here.
Don't die.
It's gonna be a long way down.
Now we have some proof if you die, we know what happened.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You think I can do it, boy?
I think you have a pretty good enough chance.
Question is, will I be able to get out?
No.
All right. You still
2 foot
recording?
deep snow, yeah.
All right, aim over. Go over there so you get in the air. All right, you got it?
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna land right over here. Okay.
Yeah.
Here we go. Ah! I'm alive! Ah. I survived. Ah. Oh, that was fun. Ah. Woohoo! I think I pulled something. Ah, I think I pulled a muscle. This is for you, Bri.